Daimler project, I became involved with that through the large technology side of the museum, and we actually, I got asked to, with the team, we actually went to Adelaide where the vehicle was. It did look magnificent, I've got to say, but on closer examination, the car was in a quite poor condition. We had to look at the interior and the exterior parts of the car, such as taping of the headlights so the glasses didn't shatter, removing anything that could fall off on the trip from Adelaide to Canberra. It did come over in an enclosed truck. The vehicle was winched on, basically wrapping it up in cotton wool, so it came as a complete unit.
What we hope to do is to represent the vehicle in its original 1954 form. So in order to do that, we aim to have it functioning again. It will involve extensive work on the mechanicals. We'd like to hear the engine purr, like a straight 8 should. We also want to, retain as much of the original coach work as possible, to give the original impression of what it should be.
The mechanical side of it is going to be a major issue. Unfortunately, investigations we have done so far on all the mechanics is the whole braking system is completely rusted up and seized and so forth. The major other drama that the vehicle has, that the engine has a broken crankshaft, which will mean that the engine will have to be completely redone.
It's a real challenge for us. We've got to get to a stage where we can actually pull it apart and assess it and how much we're going to have to do to it mechanically. With the Daimler, to separate the body from the chassis, my function at this stage has been to disconnect everything that joins the chassis to the body, such as the electrics, the fuel system, all the heater pipes, the air conditioning type system that was in the car, so that when the body comes off, we want it to come away cleanly and not be still joined by some small piece of wiring or something that we may destroy, and we don't need to do that. We've got to be sure that when we go to put it back together again, everything still fits and it all goes back as it should do.
The Daimler certainly is a very impressive vehicle. It's close to 6 metres in length. It had a straight 8, 5.5 litre engine. It has a body that was built by Hooper & Co in London, so it was built by professional coach builders. So there's a lot of craftsmanship in this vehicle, which makes it a particularly interesting project to be working on. It's heavy, it's big, it has a real presence to it. It would have been, a beast of a thing, a real stately vehicle that would have had a growl, a little rumble as it rolled down the street. It would have been quite something to see.